take a look at expanding binomials with monomials. So what we're going to do here is take a look at questions where we have a number or variable or number variable pair outside a set of brackets with a number and letter inside. When we're working with these, we're going to be multiplying. So the word expanding should make you think of multiplying when you see it. We're going to be multiplying everything inside the brackets by what's outside the brackets. To do this, we got a couple things to remember. Remember, with 4 squared means 4 times 4. So x squared must be x times x. So if we ever see x times x, or we ever multiply x by x, we can write it as x squared. Thus, if we see x cubed, that must be x squared times x, or x times x times x, x multiplied by itself 3 times. So if either of these cases come up, we can use those to write out our multiplication. So taking a look at the first example, we have 4 times x minus 3 in brackets. So this 4 here is being multiplied by the x and the minus 3. We're going to multiply both pieces by the 4. To do this, I usually draw a line to the first multiplication. So 4 times x is going to give me 4x. Then a line to the second multiplication, 4 times negative 3, that's going to be negative 12. So our result here is 4x minus 12. We multiply each number inside the brackets by the number outside the bracket. In the next case, we have an x outside the bracket. Same rules apply. Multiply everything inside the bracket by the number outside. So first we have x times x. That's going to give us x squared. And then we have x times positive 2, which is going to give us plus 2x. And again, drawing those little arrows just to keep track, then make sure I've multiplied everything. And finally, we have an example where we have both a number and a letter. In this case here, we follow the same procedure. 4x squared times x. Well, we can't multiply the 4 and the x together, but we can multiply the x squared and the x, we get x cubed. Write that a little clearer. X cubed. So the numbers multiply with numbers and letters multiply together to combine with the letters. So 4x cubed, and then 4x squared times negative 1. Well, 4 times negative 1 is negative 4, and then the x squared gets tacked on the end. 4x cubed minus 4x squared.